Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to clean gold jewelry properly. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have some gold jewelry in a bowl of water. I have this ring over here, I have this ring over here, and I have this little smaller bracelet that I received as a baby over here. Now, it's actually really easy to clean gold jewelry, but many people don't do it properly. They do it in a similar way to cleaning silver jewelry or other types of jewelry. When it comes to gold jewelry, it's really easy. All that you need is a nice bowl of decently warm water right here. I just turned the tap to a warm temperature and I put some water in there. And then I actually get some dish soap, okay? And I just put a little bit of dish soap in there. Now, you don't have to measure it out. You can put, a decent amount of dish soap, just as you can see right there. I just poured a little bit in there. Then what you need is a cleaning toothbrush. I have this toothbrush right here that I only use for cleaning things. Obviously, you don't want to use a regular toothbrush, a regular day-to-day toothbrush. You want to use an old one that you're no longer using to brush your teeth. This is an old toothbrush that we use only for cleaning things. So what you're going to do is just take the toothbrush and you're going to I said toothbrush, I don't even know what that means, toothbrush, mix the soap in the water right there, and then you want to take the toothbrush and then, yes, I pronounced it properly that time, and then scrub the gold jewelry. Now, you don't have to scrub it for too long. If it's really dirty, then, you can scrub this for, 5 to 10 minutes overall, like if you have a few pieces of jewelry. And you can even let them sit in the soapy water to sort of loosen up all of the dirt and the grime. Now, in the case of my gold jewelry, they're actually fairly clean to begin with. But I still like keeping them nice and clean. It's just my thing. I always have these out on display in my drawer, in my jewelry drawer in my bedroom. And, I don't have anything really expensive. So this is and this stuff is from when I was a kid. I like to have it displayed and I like for it to be nice and shiny. So just go ahead and just use your cleaning toothbrush to scrub everything down. Now, like I said, you can take as much time as you want on this, but whenever you're done, all that you have to do is actually rinse each piece of jewelry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the bowl to the side, and I'm just going to rinse each piece. I'm having trouble speaking. I'm going to rinse each piece of jewelry under the water, and I'll show you what it looks like. So this one right here, as you can see, amazing shine to this ring, and this ring is probably well over 30 years old. I'm 33 years old at the time of filming this video, and I got that as a baby for when, for me to wear when I grew up. Now my fingers are too big for it, but it's like an old ring. This one right here looks beautiful. It has my initials on it. Really, really shiny, as you can see right there. And then this little bracelet. Now, I'm going to be careful with this one because this is so thin that it can easily just fall down that drain. So I'm going to be extra careful with it, just like that. As you can see, this bracelet looks incredible. I'll turn off the water. It looks incredible. Even the links, between the links, looks absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. And that's basically it. I mean, cleaning gold jewelry is actually really easy. It's really simple. All you need is a simple water and dish soap solution and you'll be good to go. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.